As you play more and more with your decorative stitches, you're going to find at times you want it to flip to the other side using the mirror image function on the Pfaff Ambition 610 sewing machine. So you will see I've got stitch number 66 stitched out at its normal way, but with just a touch of a button, it will change the direction. There's so many things that you can do when you flip the stitch. First off, if it just depends on where all your fabric is, it can eliminate having all of it rolled up in the middle of your machine. When it can be more out here, it's just easier to handle. Now I'm going to sew the exact same stitch right beside it, and actually because the red lines on the foot can be used for finding the same starting place that I had with the last time I stitched it, I definitely can have kind of almost like a band of stitching that it looks like. Now I am going to stop it, engage my immediate tie-off button, and then start it again. So then that way when I get down towards the last stitch, I can touch the reverse button and it will finish it out and lock the stitch for me. Now if I had guided this even closer together, you would actually see I could actually make them touch. But isn't that neat how we can mirror image and still sew where the opposite stitch is going to create something brand new? Now, if you take a look at any of our videos on the Pfaff Stitching Cosmos online course, they're linked below this YouTube video, including how to make the ultimate stitch book. Give that a try and take the time to stitch out all the decorative stitches of this fabulous machine.